Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Stewiacke is a small town located in Colchester County in central Nova Scotia along the Stewiacke River. The town sits between Halifax and Truro near Highway 102, making it an important stopping point and residential community within the province. Stewiacke is often known for promoting itself as being near the halfway point between the Equator and the North Pole, a distinction that became part of the town's identity over the years. The population of Stewiacke is roughly 1,500 people, although nearby rural communities add to the region's overall population and activity. The history of Stewiacke stretches back thousands of years before European settlement. Indigenous Mi'kmaq communities lived throughout the region and traveled along the rivers and waterways for fishing, transportation, hunting, and trade. The name Stewiacke is believed to come from a Mi'kmaq word that has been translated in several ways, often connected to the rivers and natural environment of the area. The nearby Shubenacadie River system played an important role in travel and communication throughout Nova Scotia long before roads and railways were established. European settlement increased during the 18th and 19th centuries as farming communities developed throughout Colchester County. Fertile farmland, forests, and river access helped attract settlers to the area. Agriculture became one of the main economic foundations of Stewiacke and surrounding communities, with dairy, farming, livestock operations, and crop production remaining important parts of the local economy for generations. Transportation has played a major role in the development of Stewiacke throughout its history. During the 19th century, railway construction connected the community to larger markets and helped move agricultural goods, timber, and passengers across Nova Scotia. The later construction of Highway 102 strengthened Stewiacke's role as a transportation stop between Halifax and northern Nova Scotia. Local businesses, restaurants, and services continue to benefit from travelers moving through the region every day. Stewiacke is closely connected to the Bay of Fundy tidal system through the nearby Shubenacadie River. The river experiences strong tidal effects caused by the massive Fundy tides, some of the highest in the world. Tidal bores can move upstream through the river system, creating unique natural conditions that attract visitors interested in rafting, boating, and outdoor recreation. The river continues to shape both the geography and identity of the region. Housing development in Stewiacke has increased steadily during recent years as more people move to smaller communities outside Halifax. Many residents are attracted by the town's location, access to highways, and lower housing costs compared with larger urban centers. Average house prices in Stewiacke have generally ranged between $300,000 and $450,000 in recent years, depending on the age, size, and location of the property. Newer homes and larger rural properties can sell for higher prices. Stewiacke also benefits from its location near larger communities such as Truro and Halifax. Residents can access healthcare, education, shopping, and employment opportunities within a relatively short drive while still living in a smaller town environment. Improved transportation routes and continued population growth across Nova Scotia have increased interest in communities throughout central parts of the province. Today, Stewiacke reflects a combination of rural Nova Scotia traditions, transportation history, and modern residential growth. The town continues to evolve while remaining connected to the rivers, farmland, and transportation corridors that shaped its development over the past 2 centuries. Visitors to Stewiacke experience a community influenced by Mi'kmaq history, agriculture, outdoor recreation, and the natural forces of the Bay of Fundy tidal system.
Thanks for watching!